Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris back with another charm DIY, and today I'll be teaching you how to make flaxseed gel. First, you'll need to bring 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of whole flax seeds to a boil. Overall, I left it on the eye for 10 minutes, but I would recommend anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes. It just depends on how thick you want your gel to be. And I want mine pretty thick since I'll be retwisting my boyfriend's hair. Once those 10 minutes are up, you'll just need to have a bowl and a strainer. I know some people use pantyhose, but I think the easiest way is to use a strainer. I got this at Dollar Tree for $1, and I can just reuse it over and over. So you'll just pour your flaxseed gel mixture into the strainer, which is over the bowl. And I like to kind of push it in some just so that all the gel can get through. And this next step is completely optional, but I add 4 drops of peppermint essential oil because of course it smells good, but it also helps promote hair growth and strengthen roots. And from there, you just mix it up and then add it to an airtight container. Your flaxseed gel will need to be refrigerated, and you can keep it up to a week.